Today, let's make a viral TikTok trend, which is baked oats. Hi, I'm Annie from KetoFocus.com, and today I've teamed up with ChocZero, and I'm going to show you how to make a keto version of baked oatmeal that is super simple to make, and it's filled with chocolate too. So let's get started. We're going to start by adding 1/4 cup of pecans to a mini food processor, along with the rest of our dry ingredients, which is 2 tablespoons of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of golden flax meal, a scoop of protein powder. You could omit this if you wanted to, or you could even add in collagen powder. 1 teaspoon of chia seeds, a teaspoon of monk fruit blend sweetener, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You want to pulse this until everything's combined and your nuts are broken down. At this point, I'm also going to add in my wet ingredients, which is 1 ounce of softened cream cheese and 1/4 cup of nut milk. Give that a good pulse until everything's combined. And now I'm going to pour this into a microwave safe ramekin. You could use a mug or a small bowl, whatever is microwave safe that you have. I'm going to spray the bottom first with some cooking spray and then pour it in. And now here comes the chocolate. I'm going to be using ChocZero's dark chocolate baking chips. You want to pour in around 1/4 cup or even 1/2 cup if you wanted to into your mixture. Give it a good stir, and then we're going to put this in the microwave and microwave at around 50% power for around 1 to 2 minutes. You need to kind of watch it depending on how big your ramekin is so it doesn't overflow. So you might have to stop the microwave for a couple seconds and let it cool down, or even just putting a plate underneath your ramekin will work too, just to collect anything that might fill over. After around a couple minutes in the microwave, your baked oatmeal is done and ready. You can top it with some ChocZero syrups. We have a huge line of sugar-free, alcohol-free syrups. I like to use the chocolate syrup on this one. You can pour in some cream if you want, or some more nut milk. Even a dollop of whipped cream, some fresh berries, or some nuts would be delicious on top of your keto baked oats. Make sure you tag us, ChocZero, with all of your photos of your keto chocolate chip baked oats.